Everyone tells you not to trade the New York opening. Over the last 3 months, I have been trading the New York opening live every single day. And I've been able to do something that no one else in the entire world can do. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this video is how to trade the New York opening in a mechanical, easy to follow way that anybody can do. New York trading, 99% of new traders that attempt to trade the New York Open fail miserably, myself included when I first started trading. But in the last year, it has been my highest probability trading. I have done over 75 live streams at the New York Opening, and only 3 have resulted in a loss within the first 15 minutes. That is well over a 90% win rate for trading the New York Opening. Obviously, I am doing something that could definitely benefit you. Something I love about trading the New York Opening is that when right, get paid fast. Here's an example of a trade I took last week. So I entered in, and then within 3 minutes, NASDAQ moved up 200 points. This strategy works on stocks. It works on crypto, works on Forex, it works in options. It doesn't matter what the asset is. What I'm about to teach you will work in all assets, resulting in a $10,000 gain in that very, very short time. See, I think about this differently. I believe that the opening is a second chance trading is at its very highest, meaning the risk and reward is much in your favor that if you mess up the first trade, like I did this trade yesterday, I first took a $275 loss on my first trade. That happened in about a minute. I re-entered the trade about 3 minutes later and entered in. It only took 5 minutes for it to get to target. I was able to exit with 140 points and $6,400 profit. I always hear that trading the New York Open is impossible unless you can predict the future. I've been told this since beyond time, but it never stopped me from trying. I wasn't profitable because it was erratic price action, fast volatility, noisy price, and very unstable. It was impossible to me then, just like everyone had said. I blew up hundreds of accounts trying to do it. But I didn't have a choice because that was the only hour before I went to work that I could trade. Now, 97% of my trades live on stream in the last 6 months, I enter within the first 1 minute of the opening or just seconds before. If you need a crystal ball to do this, like literally a crystal ball, or you have to understand the CME algo that really controls price like I do. Because ICT traders can't do this, volume profile traders can't do this, market profile traders can't do this, indicator traders can't do this, Wyckoff traders can't do this, but me and my traders can. I have a plethora of students that are making 10K a day while trading the opening like this. I could keep on showing you slides, but slides are easy. That's fake. Charts expose the mistakes in the real price action. Now, I'm not going to show you the price on a monthly time frame where you can only see the exact setup I'm talking about. I'm going to show you down to the 10 second, 15 second, 1 minute, all the way down to maybe even the 5 seconds. You can see every little price movement, and I'm going to teach you exactly how I trade the New York Opening. You can do it too. That way you can get in and get out within the market within 15 minutes. My goal is to be in the market, out the market, 15 minutes and be done for the day. All right, here is the New York Opening today, which was a beautiful move that happened very quickly for a total of 160 points, making over $5,000. And I was done at 9:41 a.m. Now, if you would like to be able to make $5,000 in under 10 minutes, stick around because this video will change your life. Okay, the first step is here, you have to separate the market into sessions. There's a lot of indicators that do this, but you need to customize them because I'm not setting the market up in the ICT way. I'm setting the market up in the way that it should be set up if you're trading indices. That means stocks, or NASDAQ or S&P 500 or Dow or US 30 or NDX or NAS or SPX. All stock-based assets. The blue here is New York session. 9:30 a.m. until 9:50 p.m. which is 8.5 hour period. The stock market opens at 9:30 and it closes at 4 p.m. Now, before that, most traders are focused on London. London is a Forex thing. This is something that's very popular in the Forex exchange markets. Now, trading stock-based assets, we need to have the session blocked off for pre-market, where stocks begin to trading up until the New York opening. The stock market begins trading at 4 a.m. pre-market, and that takes place until the opening at 9:30 in the overnight session. This keeps it very simple, and then this way you're going to get all the information you need without all the BS. You will not get near as much information if you use the London way, I promise you. The overnight session is from 6 p.m. until 4 a.m. I personally use this Lux Algo session here, and then I'll go ahead and pull up my settings. You can copy them. Go ahead and screenshot them now. I'll give you about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started trading ICT concepts in 2021. I quit trading them at the end of 2023. Why did I quit trading them? I got into ICT, and what I liked about him to begin with was like the ghost in the machine, the against the grain, the unpopular, the going against the herd. But once the herd became ICT and it became the retail style of trading, I just didn't like it anymore. I wanted to be fading the retail traders, not trading with them. I began to develop my own understanding of price. I then started looking into how CME operates. I then spent hundreds of hours digging through PDFs, everything I could ever find about the algorithms and how the market operates. I eventually found a scientific paper on new algorithms. Now, this paper was released in 2008. A second paper came out in 2011. These scientific papers were from a young individual that was releasing his newfound studies on algorithms and exchanges. CME ended up picking up that person's newfound technology and implemented it. It became useful and powerful for CME. The stock exchanges started using it. Pretty much everywhere uses this stacked algorithm, except in Forex. Forex is still operated by a very similar algorithm to IPTA. 100% the ICT concepts are not what is going on in the futures market. You can always check out my live streams. I go in this all the time, get in pretty heated debates with people, but they always end up to the understanding I do, that CME is in control. The IPTA algorithm cannot exist in the CME markets. It is impossible once you really understand what's going on. No, I will not give you access to the document. Yes, I will teach you what I've learned, but I hold that document, no joke. I've had people offer me hundreds of thousands of dollars and I've said no. How do you predict price? That's the major thing. You cannot trade this strategy unless you cannot predict price. You have to be able to predict where price is going to go, and you have to know why. The easiest way to do this is to understand market structure. To do this, we're going to go to the 3-minute. Now, the advanced market structure I teach, if you don't know it, right here in the right-hand corner is a video in which I break it down, but I'm not going to do that in this video. You're going to look at this pink box here, pre-market, and you're going to decide, is price bullish or bearish off the market structure. Hopefully you guys have watched the video I just put up there and came back to this, and you understand that this is a strong low. And that strong low got broken at 7:27 a.m. This became the first strong high, and had strong highs for the rest of the pre-market down. Know that the market structure is bearish. How do you know where price is going? Without giving away all the sauce here of how this algorithm works, I'm just going to tune you guys into gaps. You can go ahead and turn to RTH hours here, which is regular trading hours. Click that button there. If you look here at a new week opening gap that was open, go ahead and fill that in here. Go back to electronic trading hours. I kind of zoom out here. Look within this, you have this high here, and go ahead and put that on our chart. Just understand that this is a big magnet that price is going to gravitate towards. I'm only going to say this once in this video, guys. Futures markets do not care about liquidity, and I'll prove it to you here. At 2 daily lows there, equal lows. Price ran them. That line is the equal lows, and has went 100% through them and it did nothing but go faster through them because their sell stops below old lows. And if price is already selling down, what happens? More selling happens. The only reason that ICT started teaching the turtle soup and stuff like that was because it's meant for the Forex market, where the stop losses trigger. They're swapping USD for cable or USD for Swiss or USD for Euro, whatever it may be, but it's an instantaneous switch, and there's actually an algorithm named IPTA that facilitates these. But there is no one trying to do that with futures. No one is trying to swap that big of size of futures for USD because these are cash settled assets. And for someone to do that, they would be risk on. Forex market, if it's a institution doing a big currency exchange, it's not risk on for them. They just swap, and fill the order for their customer. This is not what happens here. Totally different thing, and it doesn't work like that in these markets. I'll leave it at that. New week opening gap has been a strategy that traders have been trading since the dawn of time. Everyone understands this. It's what it is. You know that price is bearish. Here comes part 2. You have to predict the false move. About 60% of the time, there's a false move that is over 50 points. That means 60% of the time, you're going to get a move that is opposite of the direction that you have predicted price is going to go. I'll give you guys one little secret on here about the algorithm. If there's more than 3 candles in a row on any given time frame, it will get redelivered. If we look here, have consolidation, a doji, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in a row. What I'm going to do here is take this doji here because dojis are balanced. The algorithm redelivers to balance. Feed our families with this and changed our lives with this. I don't want to just give it away. That would be stupid. I did this live on stream. The link is in the description if you want to see me do this live with risk on, with an account. No demo, no replay. You can feel free to do that whenever you like. Dip down, and then this is something that happens at the opening every single day, which is called a broadening formation. These will become your best friend at trading the opening. Gotta thank the Strat for this and Rick Smith. Rest in peace, bro. I traded the Strat for a couple years. Really great strategy. One of the few pure price action strategies that is legitimately not stolen from someone else. Here we have a broadening formation, which is simply a trap. You have buyers, sellers, sold. Everyone bought here got stopped out. Everyone that sold. This is why people say the New York opening is noise. It's erratic. It can't be explained. It's impossible. The same stuff they say, the limiting belief stuff. They don't understand that these show up the opening usually 30 minutes before to all the way up until seconds before, but it always show up. But after 3 touches, they're not viable anymore. You got 1, 2, 3, it's not viable anymore. And then boom, price goes exactly, check this out guys, price goes exactly to where I predicted. Exactly. It couldn't have been any more precise. Predicted before the opening that it would go there. That is a 100-point move predicted before the opening. And I do this every day. I just know what this algorithm is doing. There's no precision that can deliver. I even challenge you in this video. I will pay you $1,000 if you find somebody that can do what I do at the New York opening. I will pay you $1,000. It cannot be a student of mine or ex-student of mine. That is the only rules. Because my students can do this, but that's it. Anyone else, I challenge you. If you provide me proof, I will pay you $1,000 cash money, PayPal, Cash App, or crypto, however you like. And then as price comes into your target, you go ahead and enter. You can do it with full-size contracts or micros. And only having to risk 6 points, 7 points, you can go in with really big size and still only risk about $260. And then boom. Key here is want to be out of the market by 9:45 because to 59% of the time, the market has a short-term consolidation reversal at 9:45. It's funny because people say this is their window to trade, and it's literally like the time to trade in the market is that 15 minute between 9:45 and 10. It is a horrible, choppy, nasty price action that is what kills traders trading at the opening. It's not the first move. The first move is clean. It's after that you get consolidation and rough price action. Even though price did not absolutely hit the final target by that time, this is when I implement my dynamic trade management. And I go ahead and switch it onto the 1 minute. What I do here is on the 1 minute, as soon as price takes out the previous candle's high, which I have a video about this that I teach you exactly how to enter and exit on and do price just like this, dynamic trade management. I'll put it up there right now. Also in the description, you can check it out at the end of the video. So boom, right there, price had went above. It had 3 candles in a row up. Price had closed above the previous candle's high. Go ahead and cut it. $22,700 profit. Target hit from entry to where it was here. All called out at the open beforehand. 250 points. If you want to learn how to implement this and do this on a daily basis, I trade live 7 days a week. And it shows in my community. Last week we had 3-4 people get their first payouts. I keep the community very small. When you go to sign up, there's going to be limited spots. And then that's it. Until someone leaves, those spots don't get filled. I would step on it. Now there's a 3-day free trial, but spots are filled. That's it, because I want to make sure I can focus on my community. I produce winners. I don't produce losers. I take offense to it when a student doesn't make it. 7 days a week, Friday through Monday, are price action trading live, all on chart, no replay, no demo, all live. Saturday is a study session, study the price action. I did all this trading today on a funded account with Take Profit Trader, the goats of the prop firm space. And because I'm leaving them much, I'm going to be giving away a free 150K account. Let's say you don't have much money. This is your opportunity. In the description, you're going to find the link to the newsletter. Go ahead and sign up to it and then comment below. Comment below and let me know what you liked about the video and how long you've been trading for. Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on. Subscribe to my newsletter, or Guru does in the whole space. I actually guarantee the prop firms that I'm willing to promote. I 100% guarantee them, meaning if you follow the rules and they won't pay you out, I step in and pay you out. That means I 100% my money and my brand behind them. It's an insurance policy for you. Prop firms are very unstable these days. I'll let everyone know. I'll make posts about it. I will announce and pick the winner live on stream. And I'll see you in the charts, guys. Let's go.